Because Julie feeds stray kitties, she's fed so many stray kitties, and we have them showing up all the time. And here, a little kitten showed up, and so we started feeding him. And here I put out a bowl of food for him. But our great-granddaughter that lives with us has taken a special like to him because he's so small and cute. And here she's sitting out on the front doorstep reading to him, because she's more or less adopted to him, and she calls him her kitty. But we don't want any more cats in the house, so he can't come in. And so she is just sitting here reading him, and she spends all of her time when she's not in school out sitting and talking to him. He won't have anything to do with us. And at the beginning of this video, you can see that he won't come out and eat this food I put here for him until after I go back in the house. And so our great-granddaughter's just sitting there reading to him because she likes to do that. And he's just going to finish this bowl of food I put there for him, and then he'll probably go and hide. I think he hides underneath of the hostas because the hostas have great big leaves. And so when I'm out in the yard, I can hear him, but you can never see him. But if you stand and look out the window, you can see him come out. And so we have these special dishes that you can see here. We call them kitty dish dinners because there's a TV dinner that you buy at the grocery store that comes in these dishes. And so we buy these, what we call them kitty dish dinners, because we use the dishes for feeding the kitties outside. And we actually go through quite a bit of cat food, and it's been getting more expensive lately. But and the canned food. This is canned food he's eating here that he's really enjoying. So we put water out for him too. We have a bird bath, and some of the adult cats get up in the bird bath to drink, but this little kitten here, I don't think he can get up in the bird bath to drink, so we just put water in these kitty dish dinners for him. Kitty dish dinner dishes. Well, so we have a new visitor in our garden, and I hope that you enjoyed watching this little kitten here wolf down this canned cat food. And if you did enjoy doing that, can you please subscribe to my channel? I would really like it. And even if you can, give this video a thumbs up. And thanks a lot for watching this video, and I will talk to you later next time I make a video. So thanks a lot, and goodbye.